This is a video about solving rational expressions. Solving rational expressions is basically an equation with fractions and variables, and you have to solve for a variable. And sometimes you might need to isolate the variable, and other times you might need to put it into a polynomial and factor it to get your answer. So when we have three fractions in a rational equation, what we want to do is get rid of each denominators. A problem is x squared plus 6 over 2x is equal to 2x minus 2 over 2 minus x minus 3 over x. So we need to find a common factor or a multiplier of all these numbers. And what's that number? Well, it's pretty simple. X times 2 equals 2x, and 2x is already there. So we can safely say that we can cancel everything out with 2x. So that I'm gonna write this in green. Multiply every denominator by 2x. Multiply every denominator with 2x. And then you're going to cancel out stuff in the denominator. You cancel out 2x of 2x in the first fraction. You cancel out this 2 and this 2 in this fraction. And you cancel out this x and this x in this fraction. So if you were to solve this all out, you get x squared plus 6 is equal to x squared minus 2x minus 2x plus 6. So after all of that, we need to combine all the like terms, which this becomes 2x squared minus 4x plus 6. And now we need to make, since we have a square on this side, we need to make one side equal 0 and the other side a polynomial. So we need to subtract x squared, subtract squared plus 6 from both sides. To get an answer in purple being 0 equals x squared minus 4x. After all of this, what we need to do is factor this, giving us the factored totals of x times x minus 4. So we did all of that, but we haven't found the values of x yet. So what we need to do now is to make each term with an x equal 0. So put this x over here and this x over here. So this x is already solved, x equals 0. And then we add 4 to both sides, giving us the total of x equals 4. Now we got our answers. X equals 0 and 4. But wait, there's one problem. We need to check our work. When we check our work, what we need to do is plug in each x. So for x minus 4, I plugged in x equals 4, getting us 4 squared plus 6 over 2 times 4 equal to 2 times 4 minus 2 over 2 is equal to 4 minus 3 over 4. If I were to simplify all of that, I will get 22 over 8 is equal to 6 over 2 minus 1 over 4. This becomes a 3 wait. Well, after all that, we can simplify this by 4. Well, we can simplify this by 4 to give us the more simplified terms. 3 minus 1 over 4 is equal to, we'll do the math quickly, 22 by 4 divided by 4 by 2 equals 11 over 4. And technically 3 is equal to 12 over 4, and 12 over 4 minus 1 over 4 will get us 11 over 4. So this is correct. X equals 4 is an answer. How about x equals 0? So we have 0 squared plus 6 over 2 times 0 equals to 2 times 0 minus 2 over 2, what's minus 0 over 3 equals 0. Sorry. There's one problem, and that is you have a 0 in the denominator. 0 cannot be in a denominator because it becomes undefined. If you put this into code, the code will go haywire. A bunch of logical fallacies will happen if you allow 0 to be in the denominator as a denominator. So x equals 0 cannot be a answer for you. So in grade, x can equal 4 and x cannot equal 0, with this being our extraneous solution of x equals 4 being our real solution.